How to make thumbnail. 1. Conceptualize your thumbnail. Understand your content, identify the key message or emotion you want to convey. Know your audience, design with your target audience in mind. Research, look at successful thumbnails in your niche for inspiration. 2. Choose your tools. Graphic design software, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Canva, GIMP, or online tools like Photo or Pixel. Templates, many tools offer pre-made templates that can save time. 3. Design elements. Dimensions, standard size is 1280 by 720 pixels for YouTube thumbnails. Resolution, use a high resolution, minimum 72p. Colors, use bright, contrasting colors to grab attention. Text, keep it minimal and readable, use bold fonts, and ensure it contrasts with the background. Images, use high-quality images or screenshots. Make sure the subject is clear and easily recognizable. 4. Creating the thumbnail. Open your software. For Canva, go to Canva and create a custom design with dimensions 1280 by 720 pixels. For Photoshop, create a new file with the same dimensions. Add background. Choose a solid color, gradient, or image that aligns with your content. Keep the text concise, 3 to 6 words. Position the text to avoid covering important parts of the image. Import and place your main image. Remove background if needed, many tools have a background remover feature. Enhance with graphics. Add icons, shapes, or logos to make it more engaging. Use outlines or shadows to make elements pop. Adjust and finalize. Check for balance and clarity. Ensure all elements are aligned properly. Save and export your thumbnail in a high-quality format, JPEG or PNG. 5. Testing and iteration. Feedback, get opinions from others and make adjustments if necessary. A/B testing, if possible, test different versions to see which performs better. Example with Canva. Sign into Canva and create a new design. Choose a template or start from scratch. Select YouTube thumbnail from the options. Design your thumbnail. Add your background image or color. Add any additional graphics or images. Make sure everything is balanced and easy to read. Save and export your design. Click on download and choose the file format, preferably PNG for higher quality.